boy Wonder, aka Davey, G-Team, about to bust that ass in Marvel.
Slap. Give me. Slap, about to get it in.
Keep them words short by it. Now you look like a
now who you about to pick though?
Alright, my team, it's going on me though. I want them to know who I'm gonna pick.
I'm going on your names.
Alright, so first off, we're gonna start it off right here. I gotta pick my son, Clops, you feel me? Go up to Clops, man.
Cyclops.
The man, show the man though. Clops. Alright, then we got then I'm gonna set the mood right with a guile. Feel me? And then I got
Guile.
Jill. And I gotta change that flu though. Show them. So they don't show it. I gotta change that flu. Feel me? Let's feel me.
Alright,
Nadia is going. Nadia, you wanna we gotta let Nadia get her sleep. Nadia, you know, I'm on Uber too. By the way, I'm on Uber. She's sleeping now. But yeah, you just gotta let them know we in this bread.
Alright, now, go up to my niggas. I'm about to show you. I'm about to pick the best villain ever. Magneto. So I'm pick my nigga Iceman. Cause he stay frosty. So we do. And the red hair, a boomer.
Yeah. A boomer.
Alright, so we about to get this in.
Let's move on. She's sleeping and stuff.
He's really sleeping. But I'm gonna post this shit. Y'all already know who each other got. So watch the fight, enjoy.
I say goes. Spiffy from my head to my toes. Your man got a rope, but I look better in my rolls. Your career's on hold. Put the phone down. Everywhere I roam, even Rome, I got homes now. Different colored stones got me shining when it's dark out. I don't need the wolves. You front, I pull a hawk out. Ain't shit changed you to me. The best chance you had of getting introduced to me. Listen, I'm here. Something like a new day. When my album drop, ain't gonna care about what you say. Poppin', baby, before my fame arrives, and I don't know who you are. Don't need a deal for me to be your star. Don't need to be mine, just to hop on my car. Everybody hop out, you know who's cooler. Pop it like you pop out, snapping at my crew.
I'm wild, right?
Maserati hop out, you know who's cooler. Paparazzi pop out, stepping at my crew.
Oh, that is crazy. That was wavy. I will give him
we at it again. It seems all we do is win. They say don't get ahead of yourself. Let me see you do it then. I got the crown, they can't take it like the truth and shit. Flow like water, swagger spilling out the booth and shit. I suggest that you get used to this. Let it flow like water, catch the wave, cause it's moving. So ahead of my time, they don't know what to do with this. I better be in the rain, this ain't no take two to this. I do what I wanna do. You ain't on my level, how the hell could I run on you? I'm past that, you ain't in this race. Slow niggas can't see me cause your swag is in my way.
Maserati hop out, you know who's cooler. Paparazzi pop out, snapping at my crew. Maserati hop out, you know who's cooler. Paparazzi pop out, snapping at my crew.
You thought I was a baby.
Oh,
That's round one. This best 2 out of 3. Alright, bring it up.
that's round one.
Hold on. This best 2 out of 3. Let these niggas know, nigga. I'm about to bust.
I mean,
Well, yeah,
slide.
I'm 18. How would you throw
Round one. Next video is round two, right?